So, I originally came here with the intention of going to Edo Wonderland. However, they were closed during Lunar New Year's. I didn't know that Japan observed Lunar New Year's in any shape or form. So, instead of Edo Wonderland, we found a bunch of other things to do that blew us away. So, let me show you what to do in Nikko, Japan. Oh, hello, and welcome. Today we are here in Nikko, Japan. So if you don't know, Nikko is about 1.5 to 2 hours away from Tokyo. And right now it's winter time, so it's a bit brick out here. But yeah, it's a nice quiet town. I really like it. Want to get away from the hustle and bustle of Tokyo. Come here to Nikko. And if you look behind me, you see there's the Tobu Nikko station. So we're here at the Tobu Nikko station. You come out. This is what it looks like. Check it out here, we got the yuba manju. Take a bite. Check it out. It's sweet and salty at the same time. That's pretty interesting. It's nice. Definitely recommend coming here. That's what it looks like. Get your yuba manju. Yuba manju action for today. There's a beef bowl with an egg, tofu, and lettuce. Wagyu beef. Ooh. And I think there's rice in the bottom.
Just in there. Just so you can do that.
Oh, nice. Look at this one.
It says no photograph.
Whatever you do, don't turn around this way. And the umbrella.
Ooh, chanclas. Hello Kitty chanclas.
Like a keychain.
Ooh, that's too much. I don't like. Okay.
What's this? So many flavors. That's all left over.
This is the best seller. I don't know which one is that.
Oh, like this one, pudding ice cream. You want this?
This one?
Correct.
Nikko Tartia. What are you gonna get? I don't know. What's that pasta shit?
Chocolate cream something.
Here we go. We have 3 different egg tarts. On the left we have the Nikko tart. Here we have a bacon potato tart, and then we have a chocolate tart. A bone aped. So now here outside the Soko shop. I got the Soko. One is like red bean, the other one's custard. Red bean, one's custard. It's like a pastry. Let's see what it's like. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. It's hot custard. Wow. That's nice.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Sorry, red bean one.
The red bean is okay.
Very nice area with mountains and snow up on those mountains. And I'm staying in a nice onsen. So yeah, this onsen hotel resort is nice. They got an onsen downstairs. Water's super hot, almost scalding. So yeah, it's pretty nice here. Look at that pork cutlet, katsu with curry. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that. Like that. The miso soup. You see it?
お仕事上頑張って走っていってください。いってらっしゃい。皆様も手を振ってお見送りをお願いいたします。
We are at the Tobu World Square.
That's the Shinkansen?
It is. So, it's an outdoor park filled with miniatures of famous sites from around the world. Now, this place is located halfway right between Tobuniku Station and Shinagawa Onsen Station. So, if you're going between these two places, then it might be worth it to make a quick stop over here. And now we're at the White House. So there you go. That's a little sampling of things to do and eat and see here in Nikko, Japan. So if you like what you saw, make sure to subscribe. It helps me out big time. And until next time, peace.